So I just got my Tinker Crate with the glowing pendulum, make your own glowing pendulum. And I noticed partway through the process it asked me to check to see if the board was glowing, you know, by shining the light on it before you build all the pendulum and stuff. And it wasn't glowing, and I went to a perfectly dark room. I know this is far from perfectly dark. And it still wasn't glowing in the complete dark, so I figured maybe I was just missing a step. I would wait to see that I was finished, and then I would do it, but I've gotten to that step in the process where I feel comfortable that it's done. And there's no evidence that it's going to glow at all. So I'll go into a dark room just to be sure, show you guys that it really is not glowing, but yeah. And so here it is. Lots of motion, but no glowing board. I'm going to try spreading the citric acid on it and seeing what we can do with that.